for aha attention TV. Mema obi bia akwa. Bosumi a etwemu a August busumi ya maame Esther Smith na eba Ghana ebe ye program chese. Host program enye program ketwa. Program na ebi call so award Accra. Sounds na ebi call so award Accra de na Kumasi. Na so Accra de ne flyers na eba abonten ama ye ni na ye hu. Ya maame Lady Prempeh nso ewo mu. Na so mbra na show ne ekoso no. Lady Prempeh amba ambeto nyo. We na Ghana fo bebre na ebisa se adenti na Lady Prempeh ewo flyer no so a. Ye program ne de wentimi amba ambeto nyo. Ano na Lady Prempeh nso ba abonten ebe ye video. There's a video na oye no or church so say to whom it may concern. Just ono de oye no video wa obefa no faje obo na ochire mu nie enti a wan to onyom no na so na order flyer so. Why na manager or the Esther Smith ni team no just am be fire Lady Prempeh yi ankasa the manager ya robedi ono so abeka nsem ni enti ana ama Lady Prempeh and to onyom e wo show na asa mama enti manager ambra.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby, I will share me free beer. Your friend me Roro Buddy and our buddy Roro, music producer, sound engineer, a brother, and then also a management member for Esther Smith, the team. No, I'm say video be circulated about Lady Prempeh. I will say a snowbone or Esther concert. Na say initially, no, we didn't want to like talk about this thing, but I'm say video no circulated. A lot of people are calling pennyphobe brave. And you know, I decided say I would just share our part nanko for what really happened. Yeah, and the video I made, this is what Lady Prempeh wanted to happen. Yeah, the trends. She knows when your response from us, you know, she's been long for a while now, and she has some projects coming out into, you know, maybe this is what, because we had a meeting with her. Yeah, we spoke on phone with her and the manager, Tvgh. So Lady Prempeh came for dress rehearsal on the day of the concert. You know. Now this is what happened. Men Kasabi bring question. We had a time slot for every artist because now artists never show no so dozen. Inti Kumasi show ni yampontem and Kofobi be complaining about the time. So we decided to cry there. You better try any appointment. Me personally, me send you be a time slot, man. And Lady Prempeh was to perform around, I think, so from 6:37. No, that slot, no, and 3 categories of artists. And I don't know if for some funny reason, any maybe the echo success I think say or sheda ye late, but or buy and or be catch say. Okada bi a na ede ne niam ebre no Okada no ye late na driver ni che so being trying short. Lady Prempeh was about 3 hours late from the time I was performing, and then we couldn't wait, so we just skipped into Oba. You know, she was so happy dancing and doing everything at the concert. Our videos or how be I'm security will be and how she was happy, you know. And she wasn't the only person I want performing. Kwekute was also on the bill, and Kwekute too was late. To Onoba Ekran, he apologized. And Opaya also a very sorry sir went to me on time. And then he sat down, enjoyed the concert. And that is the exact thing I expected from Lady Prempeh. But they know what they are up to and what they are doing, because we had a chat with Lady Prempeh and then a manager, Tvgh. And the funny thing is, Omokachi say I apologize, and I told her say no, you mistake. We will not apologize. She rather than also apologize to us. And Tvgh was bold enough to tell me say, yen try see a solve issue no on radio. Listen to it on radio. So when you want say Lady Prempeh video now or target bloggers, about 17 or 15 bloggers just to get it blown. So this is what happened. There is never a big deal. Obiani Lady Prempeh any problem. Yeah, the only thing is that Lady Prempeh was 3 hours late, and yeah meeting no she was like I was enka your friend no near who the so near the but on that day I was on stage playing with the band and coordinating at the same time. GMA Global Media Alliance for were doing their part. Artists be anywhere your friend on that day. Until on also social yank obey late and she was supposed to call so that they be as a shifting near which wasn't even possible because artists did so. And she came when Esther Smith was going on stage or on stage. That was the last performance. That's why she couldn't perform. Enye Bibia deliberate from the management and answer from Esther Smith. You know, we've had a beautiful concert. Everybody is talking about it. The news is the biggest news now. So I understand the game. I understand how some people will try. So also they near maybe for him to have that attention. Lady Prempeh has been out for some time now, but this approach wasn't the best. Esther Smith was out for about 12 to 10 years to 12 years. But Oba, there was nothing negative about the publicity. We just did what we supposed to do. And then Yame man in Sasoma concert in here kama. So this kind of approach I think say lady the management or yeah, I didn't want to talk about it, but said they make campaign for baby. This is exactly what she wanted. Me, this is what she want because they told us on phone. You have a conference call. Time our video not to out that and the manager Dave Joy catch me said we should go and discuss it on radio so that they can have the buzz. But you know, Esther Smith brand, you know, this kind of near man and bata yeah, we Christopher. So I think this is what happened. Yeah, basically this is what happened. Nothing more, nothing less. As Lady Prempeh was 3 hours late. That's all until one perform.
And then near Roro Ekaya no. Also na Lady Prempeh late. Na obaya no so no stories and na other brom. Na asada no kra enyo ono kwa na late. Other gospel musicians nso late. Na so omo baya no amuji to mu some late. Ama pa chow. Ama bibia etu etwa ho. Na so Lady Prempeh de obi besi ahomaso yinti no wan be pa chow. Owie so akotena media no so ka say Esther Smith team for no anhwe ama no wanto nyo. Ebusuafo Fatima me na me de trending stories bro makra.